Bia zite na neto.
Yes, ma'am.
Gin kunjidaki ya. Kom. Oya debe na table. Gini kunu nazo?
So Neto's hairband.
Unu nazo Neto's hairband. Okay, magoli ima no nke Neto. Okay. O di gwa mma. Ebe ima no nke Neto ka ezi fe na azọ ya.
Mommy, so now you na better that hairband aka. Well, see ya. When look at the hairband, see all the two beautiful for Neto. That all this of here. That all this of here. So when see that Moa deserve the hairband, that all the too pretty for Moa, all the too pretty for Neto. So then when Jay see now you go aya, yamu the hairband, or put all girls anymore. From now on, up for Moa. Or when see Biko hapu maka imali neku. See. Onye ki see that thing now.
Okay.
Onye could that thing. Now imagine this. Now hear it from my own baby sister.
Okay, see, imagine this, or I hear it from my own baby sister.
See, call Diva. See, as I was saying, you put that hairband, all the too pretty for you. That you deserve for ya. That's only prettier than you. Need ya. Need ya. When I see, first of all, it did not prettier than me. Second of all, your man will do my hairband. Third of all, this hairband that belongs to you. Actually, makuya tanda nanya.
Icho.
Actually, makuya.
Iki makuya. Gini.
Tanda nanya.
Okay, chi makuya tanda nanya. Okay, tanda ki amwapi obulo tonda. Thank God. At least imwapi ya tanda gabobelo ku dan tonda.
Actually, makuya tanda nanya.
Okay, tanda.
The almighty hand of hand.
Okay. All right. Netom.
Yes, Mom.
Oma momo.
Yes, Mom.
Obodo Igbo.
Mom.
Gini.
Mommy. So, before we go, sister did
Bro. Oh, bro na ebe ako, sister. Sister. Okay, ginka sister me. Okay, ona say na this thing bo yawa own. Okay.
So I know upstairs.
Ama me ebe unu no. Ihe nju gị bụ gịnị me? Ebe ọ sọrọ unu na anọrọ.
Now hold ya. So I said we're back at him. I said this thing was too beautiful. All don't deserve to be for Ginwa.
Okay, ihe ọbịakwute gị bịa sị gị. Na this thing dị too beautiful. All done to deserve to be for Ginwa. Kunu na afụ m trouble. Okay.
Oh, but you see how from Moa Aka. When I look at it, like all the mouse.
Okay, they look like it like all the mouse. All right.
When